Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to do a fall power hour. So it's currently Saturday and I don't have that much time today to get some cleaning done, but I figured I would do a power hour and film it for you guys. So I'm going to make a list of everything that I want to get done and I'll show you what that is, and then I'll show you what time it currently is and we'll get started. So the things I have on my list, I want to empty the dishwasher, load the dishwasher with stuff that's in the sink, use the Bona on all of our hard floors. I have a load of laundry that I need to fold and put away, and my vanity drawers need to get cleaned on the inside. And then the last one is not really a cleaning one, but I'm going to be filming a fall shop with me and a clean with me video, and so I want to go around the house and take pictures of areas that I want to update the decor in for fall. So I want to take those pictures and hopefully we can get through all of these things in an hour. Okay, so it's currently 10:44. So I have until 11:44 to try to get everything on my list done. So, game time. All right, y'all, so I'm starting off this power hour emptying the dishwasher, and then I'm gonna load it up with all the stuff in the sink. If you've seen any of my other videos, you'll know that I normally do this first thing in the morning. Well, I mean after I've eaten breakfast, because your girl wakes up starving. But this morning I was trying to get a lot of stuff done because I had to leave around 2 o'clock, so I ended up just deciding I'd make it part of the power hour. Now that I had both unloaded and reloaded the dishwasher, I decided to tackle the laundry. So Saturdays I normally try to get all the laundry caught up so that we start the week on a good note and I can enjoy at least one day of a mostly empty laundry room. So I am just going to fold this load of laundry before I move on to the next thing. I'm gonna clean where I keep all my makeup. So in our closet I have a vanity, and in this main drawer is where I keep the makeup that I use every day, and just from dust and parts of the makeup falling on into the drawer, it just got pretty nasty. So I'm going to take everything out, wipe down the drawer, and then wipe down all of the makeup that I have in there, and then it'll be nice and clean. The last thing I wanted to get done was to use the Bona on all of the hard floors in both the upstairs and the downstairs. So I just used the Bona that is for laminate and tile flooring, since this is Pergo and not actual hardwood. So I'm going to go around the whole house and hopefully get all this done within the hour, because at this point I had like not very much time left. So this is sped up, but I was going pretty fast. Okay, I'm all done and it's 11:41, so I have 3 minutes to spare. Let's check the list. Okay, so I got everything on the list done except for decorating pictures, and I'm okay with not getting that done because I am still gonna do it. I'm just not gonna film it for you guys because I realized I film on my phone right now, and obviously I need to take the pictures on my phone, and I don't have Tyler here or anyone else that can film me taking the pictures. So I'm going to do that right now. So it's gonna go over the hour by a couple of minutes, but it should only take a few minutes to take those pictures. So for the most part, I got everything done and I'm pretty impressed. I got it all done in under an hour. And if you can hear me breathing a little heavy, it's because I've been running around trying to Bona these floors in the last few minutes. So, excuse the fact that I'm probably super sweaty, but if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and definitely hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of my future videos. I also have a giveaway that's either already posted or will be my next video, so definitely be sure to check that video out and sign up for the giveaway. Also, what was I gonna say? Oh, I have a ton more cleaning motivation videos that I have all on a playlist, easy for you guys. So that will be on the end slate of this video. So definitely check that out if you want a little bit more cleaning motivation. And I'll see you next time. Bye guys.